In this video, we will share a drink to help you stay longer in bed and be a lion. Over 5 million men in the United States alone suffer from low testosterone levels leading to erectile dysfunction. It's every man's worst nightmare, the inability to perform in the bedroom, so watch the entire video, stay longer in bed and make her happy. Hey dominant man, welcome to our new video. On this channel, we upload videos related to men's mental and physical health, which will help you to dominate in your personal lives. Our first ingredient is a banana. Take 1 banana, as bananas contain bromelain. It is an enzyme that can help increase testosterone levels. Potassium in bananas helps boost the production of testosterone. Our second ingredient is a garlic. Take 1 garlic clove, as garlic contains a compound called allicin, which can help improve blood circulation by dilating blood vessels. Our third ingredient is onion. Take a half red onion, as onion enhances the production of testosterone in our body. It has anti-inflammatory properties and vitamin B that can help produce red blood cells, decrease blood clots, and increase blood flow. Now add 120 ml of water and blend well until a smooth consistency. To make it tastier, we are going to add a tablespoon of honey, as it helps to improve blood flow and can boost libido. You can consume this drink 30 minutes before bed. Don't drink if you're hypersensitive to any of the ingredients. Low testosterone has been a growing problem in men. Here are the top 10 foods that will help you in boosting your testosterone levels. Which country are you watching this video from? Let us know in the comments section so that we know where our viewers from. Try this recipe and let us know your feedback in the comments section.